Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here on day one in Bonner Springs, Kansas. What we have going right here, it's about a 4 foot in height cinder block wall along the south side of the home here. It's hard to tell in the video, but right where I'm pointing the camera at, the wall is bowing out. So what we're going to do, first thing is just like we did on our recent cinder block wall repair projects, we're going to come in here with some 6x6s, treated wood support posts, and our 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks, and just make sure that all the beams here are properly supporting the floor joists, because we do not want to start removing the cinder block and rebuilding it back to vertical until the floor is supported and we have that taken care of. So really all this is just a short cinder block wall rebuild. Most of the block looks to be in decent enough shape that I'm hoping we can just get it all cleaned out and built back up vertically. So that's step one of this project. Step two, this opening that you see here on what would be the east wall, they want the customers want a 3 foot by 3 foot little entry door. So we're going to add in some new CMU cinder block around the hole here, get a new door in just so they can get a little bit nicer access to the crawl space underneath the home. And then we're going to fix up the sump pump pit and get some new proper piping running outside the home to a pop-up valve. So kind of 3 steps to this project. Step number 1 is making sure the south cinder block foundation wall is back vertical and structurally sound. If you've seen any of our videos, you know that we rebuild everything straight. Any kind of gaps in the cinder block are filled in with our high strength concrete mortar mix. So we don't like leaving any kind of holes in the cinder block. We want to make it as structurally sound as we possibly can. Scope number 2, enclosing this opening here on the east wall to the crawl space, and then put a new 3 foot by 3 foot entry door in there. And then scope number 3 is just correcting the sump pump pit, get that fully excavated down 3 feet, new basin, everything, proper piping. We're gonna make sure to replace the sump pump with one with a battery backup as well. So really going to make sure that this basement is fully repaired. So stay tuned for more updates. Today we'll be getting a lot of the supports in place, some of the initial work on getting the existing block torn out, and hopefully by tomorrow we can start building it back up. I'm hoping it goes pretty quickly, just with how short this wall is. Should go pretty fast. So again, stay tuned for those updates. You can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.